In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional company profile in Canva. By the end, you'll have a polished on brand profile you can share digitally or print with confidence. Start by opening Canva and using the search bar to look for professional company profile or business profile. This instantly surfaces multi-page templates designed for exactly this purpose. Preview a few options to check the number of pages, the overall style, and how well the layout fits your industry. Choose a template that feels clean and readable, with space for an overview, services, and visuals. If you know you'll present on screen, a landscape layout can be helpful. For documents and print, portrait is a solid choice. Once your template is open, customize the design to match your brand. Update the color palette to your primary and secondary colors, and swap the fonts to your brand fonts. If you use Canva's brand kit, apply it to keep everything consistent instantly. Aim for one headline font and one simple body font for clarity, and maintain strong contrast between text and background for accessibility. Take a moment to adjust spacing and alignment so sections feel balanced and easy to scan. Now replace the placeholder text with your company's information. Start with a concise overview and a clear mission statement that explains what you do and why it matters. Add a brief history to show credibility and growth. Then outline your core services with benefits, focused descriptions. Keep paragraphs short, use descriptive headings, and maintain a consistent tone. If you have notable milestones or metrics, include them to add proof and context, but keep the layout uncluttered. Bring your brand to life with visuals. Head to the Uploads tab to add your logo and any approved photos. Use a high-resolution logo file and place it prominently on the cover and in the footer or header where appropriate. Drag your images into frames so they auto-crop neatly and apply a consistent filter or color treatment to unify the look. Avoid stretching images and leave breathing room around the logo to maintain professionalism. Before exporting, review every page carefully. Check that colors, fonts, and icon styles are consistent. Confirm alignment and spacing and proofread for spelling and clarity. When you are happy, click Share or Download and choose PDF. Use PDF Standard for email and web sharing or PDF Print for the highest print quality. Give the file a clear name so it's easy to find and share. That's it. Thanks for watching.